How do you cleanse your chakras using ancestral healing? Interesting question, right? So what I've done is I've created an 8-week online chakra course using ancestral healing / family constellations, theory, knowledge, wisdom, experience, and put it in guided meditation form for the collective. And what this does is it really cleanses and clears any dense, heavy, stuck energy that may be in all of your chakras. Not all of it is ancestral healing theory. A lot of it is just downloads and channeled information that I've received from my guides. But it's a beautiful 8-week course when you don't only get to learn about the chakras, obviously, also what makes them unbalanced and closed, and also what aligns them besides just the guided meditations. There is a bonus of also a pendulum and a dowsing rod exercise where you get to test how to do and work that with your own chakras to see if they're open or closed. And also in person and online for other people, so you can test your family, friends, or clients if you have them as well. So if this resonates with you, please head on over to the link in my bio and click on Ancestral Healing through the Chakras. And I can't wait to see you there.